Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Acura TL louder. To achieve a more aggressive sound, you can modify your exhaust system. Consider upgrading to an aftermarket muffler or performing a resonator delete. It's important to understand that these changes can significantly alter your car's acoustics. Always research options carefully to find the best sound for your vehicle while staying within legal limits. A popular method to increase exhaust volume is installing a catback system. This replaces everything from the catalytic converter back, offering a noticeable sound improvement. Opt for high-quality materials like stainless steel for longevity. Proper installation is crucial to prevent leaks and ensure optimal performance. Many reputable brands offer systems specifically designed for the Acura TL. Swapping your stock muffler for a performance aftermarket one is a straightforward way to enhance sound. For an even louder experience, consider a resonator delete, which removes a sound-dampening component. You might also look into a high-flow catalytic converter. Remember to balance your desired sound level with the potential for cabin drone, especially during highway driving. While some modifications can be DIY, professional installation is recommended for complex exhaust work to ensure proper fitment and avoid issues. Always check your local noise ordinances to ensure your modifications are legal. Keeping your original parts allows for easy reinstallation if needed. Sometimes, an engine control unit, or ECU, tune can further optimize your car's performance with the new exhaust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.